Angler of the moment.
Lipat po kami ng location.
BAAC Fishing Flags 2022. Marhay na aldaw, good day, Ali Chummers. Welcome sa BAAC Fishing Flags. This time, I'll be featuring a very special angler here on Bicolano Alacham Anglers Club flag. His advocacy doesn't limit to selective fishing, but includes preservation of other natural resources, especially in the marine environment. And he's truly a lucky guy. He caught through his lure a peregrine falcon, or lawin or kolago in our vernacular dialect. Here it is, up in the sky. No need to worry, the bird was freed by the anglers. Here it is. And the angler of the moment is none other than ultralight master Carlo Francisco Monreal. Fish on, tight line, ala chummers.